Hi guys, it's Tuesday, September 10th. It's currently 7 o'clock p.m. I am on my way to Vanesa Seco's shuffling workshop in North Hollywood. So I thought it'd be cool to vlog it, and I'll take you guys along with me. Hopefully there'll be room to like record some of us dancing, but I don't know, we'll see. It's gonna be my first time there, so I'm excited, and I've always wanted to go there, but I just never had time to. So today's the day that we're gonna go, and it's perfect timing because it's a Tuesday before nocturnal, so I gotta get those last minute shuffles in. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Also, can we talk about the weather? It's finally starting to feel like fall, and it's finally cooling off, and the breeze feels so nice, and it's like a little bit overcast. It wasn't too hot today. It feels so nice. I miss this cold weather. It's been way too hot. I know.